Hello everyone, I'm Janalene Hiller, and today I'm going to walk you through what to expect during the inspection period when selling your home. This is the crucial step in the selling process, so let's dive in. First, let's go over the key steps you need to know about during the inspection period. Step 1. Scheduling inspections. Once the buyer has an accepted offer, they will schedule various inspections including a general home inspection, termite inspection, and possibly a wind mitigation inspection, which is common here in Florida due to our weather conditions. Step 2. Preparing your home. It's important to make sure your home is ready for the inspectors. This means providing clear access to all areas including attic, basement, and any crawl spaces. Make sure to declutter and ensure that all utilities are on for the inspection. This helps the inspectors do a thorough job. Step 3. The inspection day. On the day of the inspection, the inspector will check the condition of your home, including the structure, roof, plumbing, electrical systems, and more. It's a good idea to be away from the house during the inspection to give the buyer and the inspector the space they need. Step 4. Receiving the inspection report. After the inspection, the buyer will receive a detailed report outlining any issues found. The buyer might request repairs, credits, or even a reduction in the sale price based on the inspection findings. Step 5. Negotiating repairs. Be prepared to negotiate with the buyer regarding any repair request. This might involve fixing certain issues yourself or agreeing to provide a credit to the buyers so they can handle the repairs after closing. It's important to stay flexible and communicate openly during this phase to keep the transaction moving smoothly. Step 6. Final walkthrough. After any agreed upon repairs are completed, the buyer will do a final walkthrough to ensure everything is in order before closing. Make sure the home is clean and any repairs are properly documented. Navigating the inspection period can be challenging, but with proper preparation and communication, it can go smoothly. If you have any questions or need guidance, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks for watching. See you next time.